Since it's summer now, let's make some swimsuits for a doll. You can print out this pattern on a piece of paper, sizing it to a regular piece of computer paper. I'm gonna make pattern number 1 first, so I cut it out on kind of a stretchy t-shirt fabric. Also for this one, you're gonna need some string of some sort, not too thick like yarn, but like this. The first thing I'm gonna do is fold over 2 outside edges and sew along, like this, so that there's clean edges on the outsides. Now I fold over this V shape on the inside and sew along the whole thing. Now all the sides are sewn except for this bottom, and we're not going to sew this yet. I'm going to flip it over so that the bad side is facing up. I cut 2 pieces of string and I'm going to sew these at the points of the suit, like this, so that it can have straps. These can also be glued on, which is a little easier, but it also kind of makes it look clumpy, so now I take another length of string, flip the suit upside down. I'm going to put the string at the bottom and then fold the remaining fabric over top. And then sew along the fabric, but don't sew the string. It should look something like this. Now let's make the bottoms. On the 2 long sides, I fold over and sew the sides. Again, I'm going to cut 2 pieces of string. I fold over the bottom of the piece with the string tucked inside it, and then sew right above. I do the same thing on the other side. And that finishes off the bottom. Now the whole suit is done, I'm going to try it on a doll. Here's how suit number 1 looks on a doll. To put it on, I tied the 2 pieces into a bow on the back, also on the sides. I actually really like this suit. Prepare to see Sabine wearing it in the pool in the summer. That I will. Okay. Let's get started on suit number 2. I cut out all the pieces from the pattern for suit number 2. This time I'm using pink. On the main top piece, I fold over and sew along this entire archway on both sides, like this. Then I fold over the bottom and sew, like this. Then I take the cuff piece and fold over and sew the top and bottom, so that it's nice and clean. Then I sew this onto the top of the main piece. I fold it in half and then sew along this part. Cut off the extra, and then turn it over. I'm going to sew snaps onto the top cuff part so that it can go around her neck. Now let's make the bottoms. Now for the bottoms, I'm going to fold over and sew these C-shaped archways on both sides. And the same thing with the top and bottom. Now I'm going to fold this in half and sew along both sides. Turn it inside out. Here's how this one looks on her. I think I like the other one better, but this one's pretty nice. That's all the swimsuits I'm going to show you how to make today. I might make some more off camera that you'll be able to see in my Instagram pictures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. See you next time! Can't find my new bathing suit. Oh, I must have left it in the shopping bag in the car. Yep, it's in there. Wait a minute. Icicle, what are you doing in my van?
Trying to start it without the keys.
How's that working out for you?
Can you believe there's no entry in the dictionary for hot wire?